2, 3, 4, 5. So halfway's about here. 1, 2, yeah. And I'll go ahead and blend this one down here as well for the same reason. Silk and salt water. Didn't I? I was really struggling. And what do you think? What do you think of it? Try that and then see how I feel. See if I feel like we need another coat, but I don't think we will. Let's see. Okay, so now we're going to use this as our guide and go ahead and draw the rays as they leave the building. We need them to go all the way out. Yes, it is, and it's going to be make my heart happy. I get so excited. I love gold leafing. Love it so much. That will happen, for one thing, if you don't use the right tape. De-tack your tape. That's probably a non-de-tacked piece, a portion. Repeat what I've done here, because you don't want to just put paint over it, because then this is a coat of white and 2 coats of gloss. So there's 3 layers here. If I just put a couple of coats of paint, I'm always gonna be short a layer. So it will look thinner and it will stand out. You can make it flawless where no one will see it if you build back up and make it match what's next to it.